So here we are. It's absolutely oiling it down. However, these must. It's going to be turned over soon. A lovely old field today. It's a cracker, is this one. And up there on that hill, let's see if I can spin it around. Now on there on that hill, there is a really old land. I'm going to do some of this. My mate found Lee Green. He found a on top of that hill over there. He found a lovely Edward III penny. It were, apart from a tiny bit of damage on one edge, it was in mint condition. So here we are, pouring down with rain. Must be crackers, but let's see what happens. Give it a go. Right then, so here we are. I've gone that far, well past there, but that far, so I've done this. Right good solid 12, and I don't know what it is. It's got a lovely pattern on it, and it's old, so I'm happy. God knows what it is. I'll wash it up later, but yeah, nice. Not get anywhere near trees yet. Then, so I've got that little thing with a pattern just there. I filled it in. I thought, you know what? It's an unusual thing to have just there on its own. So I thought, I am going that way. I'm walking that way, but let's give it a quick waft around. Well, it's there, and I went to there, and I've just found this. I need to clean it up. It's got a little pattern on it. I can't even work out what it is. It's got, you can't see it. It's got tiny little dots at the top. Little figures